In a small village near a thick green forest, there lived a kind old holy man named Father Leo. He lived in a simple cottage with a beautiful garden. He grew carrots, tomatoes, beans, and many herbs. The villagers loved him because he was wise, helpful, and kind to animals. One stormy evening, heavy rain began to fall. Thunder filled the sky, and strong winds shook the trees. Suddenly, a little grey mouse ran into Father Leo's cottage through a small hole under the door. The poor mouse was very frightened. A large orange cat was chasing it. "Please help me," cried the mouse. Father Leo looked at the tiny animal and felt sorry for it. "Do not be afraid. You are safe here," he said. Father Leo had a special power. He touched the mouse gently and changed it into a cat. The little animal was very happy. "Now I will never be afraid of cats again," it thought. But after a few days, a big dog chased the cat. The animal became frightened again. "Please help me, Father Leo," it cried. Father Leo changed the cat into a strong dog. The dog felt brave and walked proudly around the village. But one morning, the dog saw a huge tiger near the forest. The dog became terrified and ran back to Father Leo. "I want to be as strong as the tiger," it said. Father Leo warned him, "Be careful what you wish for." But the dog did not listen, so Father Leo changed him into a tiger. The tiger was now big, strong, and powerful. At first, it was happy. It walked through the forest and frightened all the animals. Soon, however, the tiger became proud. It began to think that nobody was stronger than him. One day, the tiger saw Father Leo walking in the garden. "You made me powerful," said the tiger. "Now I am stronger than you. I do not need you any more." The tiger moved closer to Father Leo. The holy man was not afraid. "You have changed many times," Father Leo said calmly, "but your heart is still the same frightened mouse." The tiger became angry and tried to scare him. Father Leo raised his hand and used his special power again. In a moment, the huge tiger became a tiny grey mouse. The mouse looked at its small body and felt ashamed. "You wanted to become bigger and stronger," Father Leo said, "but true strength comes from being kind, brave, and thankful." The mouse understood his mistake. It apologized to Father Leo and promised never to hurt or frighten the other animals again. From that day on, the little mouse lived quietly near the cottage. It helped Father Leo in the garden and never wished to become something else. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.